Assalamualaikum kids, how are you all? I hope by the grace of God you all will be fine. Children, this is your journal knowledge copy and today I am going to teach you about primary colors. Now open your copy and complete your work with me. Children, on the top of the page you will do the heading of primary colors. You will write the headings of primary colors. Then you will draw 3 circles on the interleaf page and then you color in them red, yellow and blue. Red, yellow and blue, and in the front of these circles you will write their names. Red, R-E-D, red. Yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Blue, B-L-U-E, blue. Children, do you know about that what is primary colors? Children, primary colors are basic colors and we can make all colors by mixing of these 3 colors. Means when we make red and yellow color, it will make orange color, and if we will add, or you can say that if we will mix the yellow and blue colors, then it will make green colors, and if we will mix blue and red colors, then it will make purple color. Like this type of methods we can make all colors. I hope children you will understand about the primary colors. Now you will write the heading primary colors on the top of the page, then you will draw 3 circles or interleaf page and then color in them red, blue and yellow, and then you will write the name of those colors in front of them. Thank you, take care and Allah Hafiz.